everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. January is always a big month for me to declutter. If I haven't used it or touched it in the last 6 months, it goes either, if it's trash, it goes into trash, or if it's donatable, I donate it to charity, share with family and friends, but it's out. I don't keep stuff, and I had quite a bit to get rid of, but over the last 6 months, a lot has happened in our family, taking care of my mom and with my niece and everything. I just kept on putting it away. I'm like, no, I can't be doing that. So today I am finally going to be cut through and declutter all of my skincare. I have way too much. Some things have expired, I know, and that unfortunately they have to be tossed, but there's a lot there that I can share with friends and family. I don't know if there's anything there. I mean, some of the recent stuff that I received, and I know what I've gotten recently, I can put in a giveaway, but that's probably not going to be something that I give away. So this is just going to be a massive declutter. I don't need 6 of these rolling cart drawers full of skincare. Plus, I have it in other places. My linen closet, it's in my bathroom, it's in my makeup bag, my skincare makeup bag. So, skincare bag, along with my makeup bag. I just keep the stuff that I constantly grab for there. I don't need all that. I'm one person. I can't use it all, and I'm trying to be a little bit more aware of what I keep and what I just automatically put in the giveaway drawers and share. I just can't. I get a lot of PR. Like, I feel horrible. I have PR package from a company, I think a smaller company, and I've tried it, but I haven't been able to film a video yet. I have products from Coco Pine that I still have to do. Shh. I'll be with you in just a moment. Do you want to eat? Oh, she wants to eat her food. So we're going to be right back, and it's time to declutter. So we're going to get started with decluttering my skincare. This is part 1. This drawer right here is supposed to be all moisturizers. And I see other stuff in here because it got to the point where I was just throwing it in the drawers. And I don't want to be doing this anymore. So right here, Dermalectives Energizing Body Lotion. I think I'm going to give that away. I'm going to take this, I'm going to make a huge box, take it to my sister. 2 friends of ours are going to be at my sister soon for brunch, so I'll let them go through stuff and see, if there's anything in here they want. That's an exfoliator. That shouldn't be in there. Serum shouldn't be in there. This is serum. I'm just going to pull things out. That's a mask. Just to put it where it belongs. That's an essence. It's ridiculous. This is a face cleanser. I don't want to get rid of that, per se. So I have 2 of these Ultra Repair Creams from First Aid Beauty. I will keep those because I do like them. So I'll put my stuff closer. Some things just need to go in the proper drawer. That's a treatment. Do I have 2 of these? This is hyaluronic acid. This is Cloud Cream Watermelon Dream. I don't think I did try this. This is a moisturizer, right? Hydrating moisturizer. So we'll keep that because that I tried once. Brightening gel, that doesn't belong in there. Detox hydrating gel from Goldfaden. I do like that. This I'm going to share. This is a face moisturizer from Malin and Getz. Not necessarily something I love. Kat Berkey, the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Oh, if I can get these tops off. I don't think I've overly used that, no. So I think I will part with that one. Let me just put this down here. From L'Occitane, this is a shea butter cream. I'm going to part with that. Juice Beauty. So many of these, I'm like, did I try it? I mean, I don't mind if my sister picks it. And this, I think, is just one of them push-up tops. I think I'll share that because I have so many others. here for me to keep. Pharmex Super Greens Cooling Gel. What are you? I don't know what this is. Is this like a moisturizer? I'm going to part with that. Too many. Oh. Volition Complete Cream. Complete Cream. I think I'll part with that one. Did I show you that? I'm not sure if... There. Balancing Gel Hydrator from Earth Harbor Cloudburst. I do like this. Let me just see if I can get into these. I just have so many. There's just, I don't even think I've even touched that one. That's a hydrator, so I will share. Purely, this is a moisturizer, Refresh and Moisturize Pineapple. I think I did try that, so I will keep that. Here's another First Aid Beauty Face Moisturizer. I will keep that. I love First Aid Beauty. Elemis Marine Cream. That really doesn't belong in there, though. Does it? Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. It's a day cream. I have used that, so I will finish that off now that I can see it. I have a little tiny Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Moisturizer. That's a little sample. I'll hold on to that. This is really nice. From Bioma Moisturizing Rich Cream. I will keep that one for myself. Murad. Oil-free water gel, which I do like those. And this is hydration. So I'll keep that one and share this one. I don't need to keep all these. This is really nice. I've from Biro, New York, Tea Time. This is the one that's in the really beautiful container. And I have used it. This one that has the rose. So I'm going to leave it. I will keep this one because I do use it. I really like one. I like this. The Pharmacy Daily Greens Gel Moisturizer. I do like a gel moisturizer. Tarte C Drink of H2O. I know that's hard to see. That is a backup. This is also a backup. Drench and Quench. So I'll leave that there. Saturday Skin Waterfall Water Gel. I'll share that. I have so many. Here's another Murad. What's the other Murad? Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I'll keep that one too. I do like Murad. So Touch and Soul. This is a backup. Waterfall Glow Cream. Hard to see them. This is a backup from Tarte Skin Care, Baba Balm. Really nice. That is a backup. This is a little Clinique Moisture Surge. I do like that. Here is Kate Somerville Goat Milk. I'm going to share that. My sister loves Kate Somerville. These are Tarte moisturizers right here. I'm going to keep those. I'm going to try just, and then Keys moisturizer. I'll leave that there. And then a little, this is Laura Mercier. A little tiny moisturizer. I will keep that. So that fits there. Oops. Go back. So these I will put towards the front so that I see them. So I'm going to be keeping that and that. And this, I like the Bioma. Obviously, I'm keeping all the First Aid Beauty because that is phenomenal. And then I'll keep the Gold Fat. So that's all that belongs in this drawer. What are you, YSL? So many times you can't. This is a primer. This doesn't even belong in there. It's a primer. So I'm going to take it out of the box and put it with my primers. My primers are not in that drawer. Not in that drawer. In this drawer. So I will put that in there to use. So now this box is trash. I think I'm going to put the box that I have for the stuff I'm going to give to my sister and my friends there. So that's all that I want there. And then I have to see what these all these don't belong in that drawer because these are all serums. Trying to keep all this stuff here, and that's a treatment, exfoliator, and a face mask. So I will take that out. And then, what drawer do I do next? Let me move on to the next drawer. Okay, drawer number 2, have all of my extra cleansing wipes. I think these are a lot of toners. The Ultra Repair from First Aid Beauty Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. I'm going to keep that. This is a backup. This is probably one of my favorites. Murad's Hydrating Toner. It's a spray. I love that. This is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is a toner. I'm going to share that. It's not even been opened. Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. I want to try that. Dr. Brandt. This is also a toner. I'm going to share that. Do I have another one of these? Yeah, I think I got these from IPSY. I want to share that one. What are you? Lancome. This is a toner. Ugh, there's just so much in here. And this is from Clarins. That's a toner. I'm going to share that. Refreshments. This is micellar water. I'm going to keep that. That's a little bit different. I think these are micellar waters back here. This one is, I do like, this is micellar cleansing water from Skin Iceland. Nice. The scent is very off-putting on that one. And this one is Perricone MD, the no rinse micellar cleansing treatment. I'm going to be keeping that too. So this is micellar water, and I do think this is micellar water too. This is makeup remover. Like, this is from Tarte. This is hard to see, the package with the light. So I'm going to keep that back there, along with my spare wipes. Now this is another toner from Murad. It's the same. Oh, that's slightly different. Let me see what kind of package this is. An Essential C toner. And what's the difference between, this is just a hydrating toner. Well, I'll share the Murad one. Somebody can get some use out of it. Between 3 other grown women, they can pick what they want. Now this I'm almost out of. I keep it in the package. It's a reminder to buy it. This is from Benefit, the Pore Professional Tighten Tone. I want to keep that. This, not really a fan of the Glow Toner from Charlotte Tilbury. So I think I'm going to share that. Let somebody else use it. Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleansing Toner. I'm going to keep that one. And I'm going to give this one away. This toner. I don't need all this stuff. So toner. So that's a toner. That's my favorite toner. That's also a toner. And this is, these are toners. So I'm going to keep these. Just really didn't get rid of too much, but these are taking up a good amount of the drawer. Right, so there's no other toners anywhere. God knows once I start getting into the other 2 drawers what's in them. So let's move on to at least one more drawer. So this drawer here is all my extra puffs. These little puffs from Lorella. This little thing I think we got from Macy's. Like these, I can just give this stuff away. Like these are cute. I have sets of these. Like I have so many sponges. That's a sponge holder. This is a cute little sponge holder. I've never used that. Oh, cute little bag. I don't know why it's in here, but I'll give that away. I might give them sponges away. Like, look at all these sponges. Like, some of these are open, so I really can't. Like, why did I save that? Like, this I can give away. These are sealed. I can give them away. These I cannot because they're open. This is my travel brush holder that I got from Temu. I will keep that. These, I think I used one. No, I have not. So I can give this away. I might share some of these. Here's Araceli beauty sponges. I can share. Some of these I can put in giveaways. Just because I don't need all this stuff. Like I can share these little sponges. I want to put these in the giveaways. Giveaway drawers. Because they're relatively good. Like this is still a good sponge from e.l.f. I haven't used it. I'll share these. Why not? Here's another one. This one is still sealed in a bag, so I can share that. These I never used. The 2 half sponges. That's what this was from. But I don't need to keep that. I can put them in giveaways and let others. Luxie has not been opened. This is still sealed. Like here is a Farrow one with a sponge and a sponge holder. Do I really need all these sponge holders? No. Makeup Geek. These cute little sponges. Now I have used one of them, so I will keep that one. Like here's more mini sponges. A beauty blender. I will keep the beauty blender. What are you? From e.l.f. Oh, I like that sponge. This one I will keep just because it's cute. I'm telling you, this is a massager. Makeup sponge in here. I'm gonna let's see how many of these I can fit in giveaway drawers. These I did get from Temu, I think. I never used them. Do I want to keep them? These are really nice. Elena Badro. I have used one of those. I'm going to keep these right here. And I want to keep the e.l.f. sponge. I'm going to get rid of this multitasker 4-in-1 brush. I just, if I can open it. I'm not a fan. Let me see if I can take it out. Like there's one side, 2 sides. I've never used this one. I'll probably put it in a giveaway. We'll see what will fit in there. That's a tanning mitt. I'll keep that. Here's for my brush cleaner. But this should be somewhere else. I have extra LaRousse puffs, which I will keep. I have extra makeup erasers that I do grab for. And then we had gotten these like in Macy's, so I will keep those. I have my skincare. I have a spare set of these. I have some in use. These are skincare brushes. I don't know what that is, so we'll put that there. And this is a very good makeup cleanser from Bodyography, makeup brush cleaner. So that I like to keep in the front. Some extra sponges that I have to keep because I've been in them. These I will just pop back here for when I need to use it. This is a travel brush. I don't need that. This I will share. I don't need these. This is trash. That I'll keep because you never know. And then this, obviously, I'm going to keep because that is a travel bag. So that was an easy drawer for me just to declutter, and I try not to add much to that. Now